As promised, this is part 2 of how to improve your isolation skills as a beginner lash artist. So take a look here at this isolation. Look at the tips of the actual tweezers. Look how far they are from the actual eyelid. You can see that they're about 5 millimeters away from the actual eyelid. You really want to make sure that you're getting much closer with the actual tips of your tweezers, and you're getting closer like this to the actual eyelid. You're going to have a much better visual of how many lashes are growing in that area, and also you're going to have a better visual of the anagen lashes, because the worst thing that you can do is place on a lash extension, not seeing the baby lash, the anagen lash, and eventually causing your client discomfort and stickies, and the whole thing is just going to be very uncomfortable. So you really want to make sure that you're mindful of the way that you're holding your tweezer and ensuring that the tips of the tweezer are close to the actual base of where the lash is growing, not at the top of where the actual lashes are, the tips of the client's lashes are.